here. Today we're going to yeah, if you see red stuff everywhere, we just finished filming this, the shiny one. So yeah, I don't know if it'll be like out yet or it's already out. I don't know. But I'll put a link in the description for that if it's already out. But when it comes out, I'll just put it anyways when it comes out. Okay, so yeah. Today we're going to see what kind of slime this glue makes. And I just found this glue in a store and it looks really watery. So maybe it'll turn like into jiggly kind of thing. I don't know. So yeah, it says great for slime making. So yeah, it will work. Now let's get started. Oh yeah, it's really watery. See how watery that is? It's weird. Oh yeah, we got new sticks too. Oh no. Now there's just little things everywhere. Ooh, it smells different. Ooh, it smells like, I don't know. It smells like wood. It smells like this stick. I don't know. It smells like a weird kind of wood. Yes, it does work. Look at this. Oh no, now it's yellow because of my stick. Wait, I'm gonna change it. Ooh. No, it's all yellow now. What the heck? Okay, so yeah, it's kind of yellow. It's supposed to be white. Whoa. It's my dumb stick. Rawr. Okay, so this one is done mixing, and it's like, it kind of feels like everything else, but like, I don't know, it's like softer and like more stretchier kind of. What is that? So yeah, it's like more jiggly. Go like this, you can feel the jiggliness. You can even see it kind of. So yeah, it's not really that different, but it's like, that squeaky kind of thing. It feels like squeakier when you go like this. Can you hear it? Yeah, can you hear it? Yeah, it's like weird squeaky. And yeah. So yeah, I guess that is it. Bye! What the heck was that? I-ho, up to my blood we go. Do 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 do. Don't blah blah blah.